A very good morning, students. Jai Gurudev. Today we will discuss lesson 3, rational numbers. In our number system, we have already discussed natural number. Natural number means what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. These are known as natural number. And natural number are also termed as counting number also. Next, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. That means natural number including 0. This number system is known as whole number system. And if we plot the whole number on a number line, here n point is 0, it starts from 0 and this way it extends endlessly. That means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. etc. Next, integers. Integers include whole number and negative number, but no fraction. This one, 0, these are the positive number, means whole numbers these are, and this side negative number. That means 0, right hand side of 0, all numbers are positive numbers, and left hand side of zeros, all numbers are negative numbers. And this number system is known as integers, and we plot this integer on the number line. Now, thus integers can be negative, positive or 0. Therefore, integer means this one minus 0, minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. this way, and 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. That means in both directions there are infinite number of numbers. But in case of whole numbers, here one endpoint is start from 0 and never ending numbers, and in case of natural number it start from 1. But in case of integers there is no starting and ending number. Next, rational number. Rational number. A rational number is a number that can be in the form P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0. Rational number means rational number can be defined in the form of P by Q, where P and Q, these P and Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0. Q is not equal to 0. For example, 1.2. It is a rational number because 1.2 means we can convert into fraction 6 by 5. Why 6 by 5? Because 1.2 means 12 by, this one means what? 12 by, we can write 12 by 10, and this 12 by 10, this one we can write 1.2 means we can write 12 by 10. And if we cancel 12 by 10, we will get cancel 6 and this one 5. We will get 6 by 5. And 6 by 5, it is in the form of P by Q. That's why 1.2 we can express in the form of P by Q, and where Q not equal to 0. Okay, that's why 1.2 is a rational number. Here one table given, 4. Yes, 4 is expressed in the form of P by Q, 4 by 1. Therefore, it is a rational number. 1.5 means what? 15 by 10. 15 by 10. If we cancel by 5, then what happened? 3 by 2. It is in the form of P by Q. That's why, yes, it is a rational number. 0.1. 0.1 means what? 1 by 100. 1 by 100. It is in the form of P by Q. Therefore, it is a rational number. Now, 1.1111, etc. It is a non-terminating decimal. And this one terminates. After a few steps, it terminates. That means 0.1 is a terminating decimal and 0.111 etc. dot given. That means that one digit will come again and again. That's why this number is known as non-terminating decimal. And this one, if we express in the form of p by q, then we will get 1 by 9. 1 by 9, that means this one decimal we can express in the form of p by q, therefore it is also a rational number. Next, 7 by 0. 7 by 0, here it is not a rational number. Why? Here q is not equal to 0, but here denominator not equal to 0, but here denominator is 0. That's why 7 by 0 is not a rational number. Now here that is secret given. A rational number is a number that can be expressed as the quotient or fraction a by b of two integers with the denominator b not equal to 0. And as b may be equal to 1, b may be equal to 1 but b not equal to 1. Every integer is a rational number. Yes, if minus 2 we can write minus 2 by 1. Okay, 3 we can write 3 by 1. Like this way we can express in the form of p by q. All integer we can express in the form of p by q where denominators is equal to 1. Now the set of all rational number is usually denoted by boldface q. Suppose all rational number q is equal to all rational number. The decimal expansion of rational number always either terminates after finitely many digits or is recurring. Recurring means non-terminating recurring decimal. Thus, any repeated or terminating decimal represent a rational number. That means decimal expansion two type. One is terminating decimal and another is non-terminating decimal. Here we have already discussed this one terminating decimal, this one non-terminating recurring decimal, non-terminating repeating decimal. Why repeating? Because here one repeat again and again. Understand? Next, if we draw a fixture, then within rational number, all integers, whole number, natural numbers are included. That means rational number we represent by boldface q, and here 3 by 4, this fraction also a rational number, this decimal point also a rational number, this negative integer also a rational number, this 4 it is a whole number, whole number, this one is a rational number. That means fraction, decimal, negative number, any positive numbers, all are rational number. Now need for rational number. Why it is needed? Because initially all the numbers were positive, but the need of negative number were realized when we have to express a positive direction or opposite direction. That means if we go in the direction of left, then another in direction left, then we have to compare both the direction. One is positive, another is negative. That's why we realize. That's why the negative numbers were realized. Next, mention two rational number, each whose numerator is negative integer and denominator is positive integer. Numerator negative integer and denominator is a positive integer, then rational number will be negative. One negative, another positive, then negative integer, negative rational number will form. And numerator is positive integer and denominator is negative integer, then also it will be a negative rational number. And numerator and denominator both are negative integer, then it will be a positive rational number. And if numerator and denominator both are positive integer, then it will be a positive integer. Next, equivalent rational number. Like equivalent fraction, we can find the equivalent rational number. like equivalent fraction. 4 by 5 is a rational number, then we can make it more equivalent rational number, like 4 into 3, 5 into 3. That means if we multiply 2 to 2, 3, 4, 5 like this way, 3, then this one will be 12 and this one will be 15. If we reduce, then again we will get 4 by 5. Therefore, 12 by 15 is the equivalent rational number of 4 by 5. Like this way, minus 3 by 5. Equivalent fraction will be minus 9 by 15. This way we can find infinite number of equivalent rational numbers. Next, positive and negative rational number. That means rational number, if denominator positive, are called positive rational number. A rational number with both numerator and denominator positive is called positive rational number. And if a rational number with numerator negative and denominator positive is called negative rational number. Yeah, numerator negative, numerator positive and denominator negative, then also it is known as negative rational number. That means here in the steps here given, if the numerator and denominator both are positive, the rational number is positive. If the numerator is negative and the denominator is positive, the rational number is negative. If the numerator is positive and the denominator is negative, the rational number is negative. And if the numerator and denominator both are negative, the rational number is positive. 0 as a rational number, that means 0 we can express in the form of P by Q. Like 0 by 1 means 0, 0 by 2 means also 0, 0 by 3 means also 0, 0 by minus 1 also 0, like this way. That means 0 can be written in the form of A by B. And natural number we can plot on the number line. Suppose 0 we have to put 1 by 2 and minus 1 by 2. Then this one 0, this one point we divide two part, this one part and this one part. From this two part, if we take one part, then this part will be 1 by 2 part. 1 by 2 means half part. Like this say, from this part also we can find this one. That's why we can plot the rational number on a number line. That means half is a rational number. This one we can plot on the number line. Here also negative 1 by 2 also plot on the number line. Next, rational number in standard form. The rational number are said to be in standard form if the numerator and denominator have only 1 as their common factor. Suppose this one 1 by 2. 1 by 2, 1 and 2 they have only 1 is the common factor. Yeah, 5 by 6. 5 by 6, that one also 1 only common factor. And the denominator of the rational number is positive. And the negative sign occur only numerator. That means in case of standard form, we can put negative sign only what? In numerator only. And comparison rational number, we can compare the rational number between two rational number. That means between two rational number, there are infinite number of rational number. We can easily find between two rational number between two rational number. This one we can do easily. Next, we will discuss our exercise.